We're out here fishing at. Get closer. You gotta get up there closer. Turn that way a little bit. We got a bear here. Poor thing's got a tub on its head. Oh, he's getting scared. Oh, trying to figure out how we're gonna get this tub off his head. Yeah, go a little faster, Brady. You gotta get in front of him. Oh, Brady, slow down. Oh.
I have to do it.
I know.
Get it off.
Oh.
There you go.
Just a baby bear here.
Come here, big guy. Come on.
Circle around, Brady. Circle around quick. Wait, just get around him. Get back on the other side of him.
You almost got it off.
I know he did.
One more pull and I would have had it.
Oh.
You did a good job. We just got to do it one more time. Come on.
Get up there. Get up there.
This way. Slow down.
Slow down.
No, slow down.
Slow down. Wait down.
Can't let him get on shore. We won't let him get it off.
Yeah, and we won't. Yeah, not only won't, just don't want him crawling in here either. Let's get it off.
Keep coming.
Yep. Keep coming. Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, go. We saved our little bear.
Good job, buddy. Head for
Swim
shore.
happy. This has been a night. Oh, guys.
I want to just make sure he makes
guys,
it
I
to
didn't-
shore. Yeah.